Namo Namaha. Out of the 20,500 mantras present in the Samhita portion of all four Vedas, only 1,549 mantras are in the Samaveda. So this is the smallest Veda among the four Vedas. Though it is the smallest Veda, it is a very important one. A yajna is said to be incomplete if there is no Samaveda in it. It is said like this: Na asama yajnosti, meaning there is no yajna without Sama. We also see in Bhagavad Gita where the Lord says, Vedanam Samavedosmi, I am Samaveda. Among all Vedas, I am the Samaveda. We had seen in the Rigveda video that Rigveda is the largest among the four Vedas. If you have not watched that video and you want to know some fascinating facts about Rigveda, then please check it out. I also made a video to explain the Yajurveda. I will leave a link to both these videos and also the entire playlist on Vedas in the description. So in the Samaveda, there are only 1,549 mantras, and out of this, most of the mantras are the same as in the Rigveda. Only 75 mantras out of the 1,549 mantras of Samaveda are unique, which are not present in the Rigveda. If almost all mantras of Samaveda are in the Rigveda, then why have two separate Vedas? Though the mantras are same, the way they are recited is very different in the Rigveda and in the Samaveda. The mantras are sung in Samaveda and in Rigveda they are recited. In fact, Samaveda is the source from which Indian classical music has originated. In other Vedas, we have the Udatta, Anudatta and Swarita. These are Vedic intonations. I have made a separate video on that. You can check it out in the above link. But in Samaveda, instead of Udatta, Anudatta and Swarita, there are 7 swaras which are named as Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturtha, Mandra, Krishta and Atiswarya. The Samaveda reciters make specific gestures while reciting Samavedic mantras to indicate the swara associated with each syllable of the mantra. Also, Samaveda mantras were sung in tune with the veena. So, for this purpose, many types of veenas were invented, like Kanda veena, which is veena made out of a log, Alabu veena. Alabu means bottle guard. Shurpa veena means winnowing basket. Vakra veena, Saptatantri veena, which had 7 strings. In fact, the word Sama means melody, song, a soothing note, and Sama also means pacification. The Brihadaranyaka gives a very nice etymology of this word Sama. It says, Sacha amascheti tat samnaha samatvam. That is, it says, Sa means riks. Riks are Rigvedic mantras. Ama means various swaras. Therefore, Sama means that which has the coordination of riks and the gana, the singing. So, Samaveda is a collection of those riks which were sung to tunes. The whole of Samaveda is divided into Purvarchika and Uttararchika. And all Gana mantras can be classified into 4 categories, which are Grama Gana Geya mantras, Aranya Gana Geya mantras, Uha Gana mantras and Uhya Gana mantras. The Purvarchika portion of Samaveda contains Grama Gana Geya mantras and Aranya Gana Geya mantras. Grama Gana mantras are the mantras that are sung in the gramas. Grama means a village or a society. The Aranya Gana is meant for the forest only. That is, if these mantras are sung in the sacred atmosphere of the forest, then they have appropriate impact. The Uttararchika portion contains Uha Gana mantras and the Uhya Gana mantras. Uha Gana mantras are restricted to only Somayaga. Uhya Gana is a secret and is not supposed to be sung like other samas. Rishi Vedavyasa, who divided the Vedas into 4, gave Rigveda to Rishi Paila and Yajurveda to Rishi Vaishampayana. he gave Samaveda to Rishi Jaimini. There were 1,000 different schools of Samaveda. Maharshi Patanjali in his Mahabhashya says, Sahasravartma Samavedaha. But today only 3 are present, which are Ranayaniya Shakha, Kauthuma Shakha and Jaiminiya Shakha. Kauthuma Samhita is more prevalent than the others. Samaveda, though a small one, is a very important Veda because the Chandogya Upanishad, which is one of the 10 major Upanishads, is a part of the Samaveda. It is in Chandogya Upanishad that we find a detailed explanation of the importance of Pranava. Pranava means Om. Also, the Chandogya Upanishad has the Panchagni Vidya, which explains how a soul enters the womb and many other mystical things. And the very famous Mahavakyam, Tattvamasi, is from the Samaveda. It is found in the Chandogya Upanishad. I hope you found some value in this video. By the way, I am Shubha, a native Sanskrit speaker and a Sanskrit teacher, and this channel Tattvam is all about Sanskrit related content. If you are interested in such content, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, share it with your family and friends. As Indians, we all should have a basic knowledge about the Vedas, so kindly share it with as many people as possible. Also, don't forget to give this video a like and do share your thoughts in the comments. Agrima video madhye punarmilami. Namo namah.